Debate has been reignited this past weekend. A Duke men's basketball player was injured by fans who stormed the court after Wake Forest University beat Duke. Just over a month ago, Iowa's women's basketball star Caitlin Clark collided with a fan on court, leaving Caitlin clearly shaken up. Now, with these recent incidents, many are asking if court storming should be banned. Before we dive in, just really quickly, Caitlin Clark was not injured, just very much startled.
She is a star player.
She is absolutely a star.
Franchise history.
And then the Duke basketball player, I'm so sorry, I do not know his name. I don't follow sports.
His last name is Filipowski, but he's their star player as well. The March Madness tournament is starting in a few days.
In March.
Yes.
We don't know the extent of the injuries.
Yes, but he's somebody that has a pro future.
Yes.
And this could have been affected by depending on severity. And Jeff, you know, we've been watching sports forever. This has been going on forever. I remember the Larry Bird in '86 when they won. People stormed the court. Those are all fans. Like, this is Larry Bird is one of the top 5 best basketball players of all time. And imagine, look at this, and then.
So should it be banned, or is this part of sport history?
I think so. And I don't know if we have the Reggie Jackson, but you'll see Sammy, some other fans running. He's like literally punching them. Like, look at this.
How scary.
That's a Hall of Fame player running for his life.
Can I yes, you should clearly ban this. And I stormed the field at Michigan, but you can't have this happen.
But I mean, I think you just said the point, Tori. It's a good look for the college. When Michigan wins,
not
which
when
is
I hit
rare,
Tom Brady over.
But you know, when Michigan wins, they run on the court. They show that on SportsCenter. A young 14-year-old Tori is like, I want to go there. It's a great advertisement for the school. So I think until a player sues saying you messed up my NBA draft stock, I think this is going to continue to happen, and they'll just pay the fine.
Yeah, these guys get paid now. So these guys are, some of them make millions of dollars without even making it to the NBA. So this hurts them right now. I feel like there's got to be some sort of rule, you know, like, it's unfortunate because as a fan, you know, as a student there, you want to run on there. In football, they rip the goalposts down.
Oh, I was
there. They throw them in the river. You know, that's all good fun. Right. But they've been doing this forever, but now people are starting to get hurt, and these people are a commodity, unfortunately. They're worth a lot of money.
Yes.
And if you're messing with that, who's going to pay for that? That student?
The school.
I think, yeah.
You know, like,
isn't it lack of institutional control?
Listen, the institution has to get involved, but I just imagine as an athlete how many blood, sweat, and tears and years it took for them to get there, and then finally in college, that's where you get discovered to go to the NBA or the NFL or to the Olympics, and then that's taken away from you because some drunk fan,
some jack.
Not saying that person was drunk, but I'm just.
I would guess.
Maybe.
But if I sued, what I agree with you is I wouldn't sue just the person who did it. I would sue the school
for not
security.
Protecting me.
Yeah, that's negligence on their part to protect the players.
Any other performer, Duke is there to perform at that school.
Right.
The task of basketball, no different than a ballet. If there's no security at the ballet or a rapper or a Duke basketball player, they will sue that school.
Really
they will sue
dangerous.
the security and the institution.
Unfortunately for Duke, they're always top 10 in the nation, so any team that beats them is going to do this.
Yeah,
to show
right.
So unfortunately, they get it more than others.
Whew.